Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series.
Use context. Okay, context has been changed. There are the various points of the namespace. Write a command to which list all pods sorted by their age. Okay, vi kubectl get pods hyphen a hyphen short hyphen by is equal to metadata dot creation timestamp. Okay, this is done. We can see that we can after executing this script, okay, we are getting the output. Now go on to the second part. What we have to do, we have to write a command which lists all the pods sorted by the field metadata.uid. Okay, we'll do that. It will be the same command, just change the short parameter. kubectl, we're gonna list for all the pods, that's why we are mentioning hyphen a for all the namespaces in that particular cluster. Okay, hyphen short hyphen by is equal to dot this one metadata.uid. Okay, let's execute it.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.